The Nigerian police, the Nigerian army, and the Nigerian security and the civil defense, NSCDC. This is a vital information to you. The Inspector General of Police, the Chief of Defense Staff, and the Chief of Army Staff. These messages are for you. Please, if you know them, you have their WhatsApp numbers, you have their channels, that's their social media channels. Please, I would want you to copy and send this across to all of them. The things that is coming up now is just springing up like it is just springing up like a mushroom. It is growing like a breadfruit. It looks like a ball now. Very soon it will look like a head. Somebody's head. It grow bigger like a head. And when it grow bigger, when it falls, he said it will kill the tortoise. And when it starts rolling, it will also kill the python. When you start washing it, it will become so slippery. Putum, 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 putum. That is touching. It touches everywhere. And when they cook it, it will be boiling potom, 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 potom. That is, it will reach this person and reach this person and reach the other man there. But I want to use this opportunity to let you people know, if you fail to understand this or take heed to these things I am about to tell you, you are going to regret it. Nigerian police is the target. The Nigerian army is the target. The Senate of the Federal Republic of Nigeria is the target. The House of Assemblies and the Federal Representatives are targets. These people are not making 20% of the population of Nigeria. They are not making 20% of the population of Nigeria. These people has businesses that employ a lot of youths in Nigeria. They have brothers and sisters that are living with them that will be affected. Pay good attention. Some of these people has good investments. They have toiled all their years in the service. I wouldn't want them to be destroyed. I am a prophet, I do tell you. I cannot stay and see things go wrong. Before I dive into what I want to tell the entire Nigeria, because this is what made the entire Nigeria. The law we are abiding on, the law that have been enacted or enshrined or being ratified is coming from them. The judiciary has no much problem, except when the police act. That is, the judiciary will carry it. But I am trying to advise the judiciary. Please, this that is going on, I'm about to explain now. Hey! The deep and secret things of God belong to people who knows his name, who fear him. If this is your first time of coming across my channel, please do me try to subscribe, because this is where you will get the information on first class, where truth is not diluted. This is wonderful love. Check me on Facebook, check me on TikTok, check me also on YouTube channel if you are not watching from any of these channels. The Nigerian police, especially Nigerian police, the Nigerian army is involved. Please, You should not kill anybody on this protest that is raging. It is now, I said, is growing like a small head of breadfruit. When it becomes too big, it will fall and many things will be destroyed. Please don't use force on the people. This is how this problem will escalate. Don't use life, don't kill anybody. Support them on a peaceful protest. If you support them, they will be peaceful. But if you use force on them, there will be chaos. Many criminals have ganged up for more than 2 weeks now, planning how they are going to steal, how they are going to loot people's supermarket, how they are going to steal people's properties, how they are going to destroy people's property in the name of this hunger day. It has started. Please be guided. The Nigerian police chief, the inspector general of police, the chief of army staff, and the chief of defense staff, please don't bring any policeman that is not well trained, not being well trained, not that doesn't have sense. They don't know how to take recognition of what is peaceful and what is violence. Please start now to train people, start now to train police. It's just a little training, police that knows how to cushion effects of protesters. They call them police crowd control, army crowd control. Army is not supposed to be there even because there is no war. It's just that the Nigerian army is being bastardized. You will see them everywhere. If you buy a phone, the phone is somehow you go and call an army man. It's not the duty of an army man. An army man is staunch to protect the territorial integrity of Nigeria, not even to come out and start searching cars. No. Police is there. The NSCDC, which they are to monitor every pipeline, every oil pipeline, every bunker, also has the side that take care of protest. Please, if you don't want this to escalate, for many lives to be lost, for many businesses to go down, to be looted in all the part of the country, please don't use force on protesters. Hunger is everywhere. These protesters also are protesting for you because you are not exempted. The Nigerian army, you are not exempted from the current situation that we are into. The Nigerian police, you are not exempted. Security officers in Nigeria, man or war, you people are not exempted. So you are among the protesters. Don't use force on them. The people that is away from this menace are the Senate. I repeat, the people that is free from this problem are the Senate. And the Nigerian youths are angry about the Senate. The Senate doesn't buy fuel. They have where they go to depot, the Nigerian depot, they buy fuel. They take fuel, not even buy it. They have a lot of money that they are being given to, which an ordinary man cannot even have a pinch of it. The Nigerian Senate, the House of Representatives, they are eating bogus salaries, bogus incentives, even up to newspaper that you Google and read online without even spending more than 1 gig data. They are being paid in millions to read newspapers. I am not the one that said it. You know what I'm talking about. They have been saying it all over. Press is there. Please, the Nigerian police, the Nigerian army, please recruit a crowd control police. Let them not use arms on the innocent Nigerians. Please. This will be what will cushion the effect of what is coming up. or will worsen what is coming up. It will affect all of you. Like I told you, Nigerian police is a target. Nigerian army, you see Nigerian police brutality is everywhere. The anger is not off from the heart of Nigerian people, Nigerian youths. The Nigerian army is among the brutality. The Nigerian Senate, they are among people are bickering about their salary. How can you be eating well and others are dying in hunger, driving cars of billions, and nobody is eating well? People are working on food. That is it. Please don't let this escalate. That is what I want to tell you. Subscribe if this is your first time of coming across this channel. If you like what I am doing, if you don't like what I am doing, I always tell people go and hawk transformer, because it must be bitter for it to be better. When it is bitter, it becomes better. But when it is bitter, people will not like to hear it. But when they don't want to hear it, people that like it will do it better. This is wonderful love. Till next time, hit on the subscription button, the bell icon, so that you'll be getting notification when we post anything here. God bless you.